Discover how an innovative bowling giant transformed their operations and skyrocketed efficiency with just one platform. QubicaAMF, a leader in bowling equipment for over a century, aims to make bowling extraordinary worldwide. Employing 600 dedicated staff, this powerhouse has installed more than 10,000 bowling centers across 90 nations. Yet, internal communication was stuck in a messy web of emails and spreadsheets, hindering progress. Transitioning to ClickUp changed everything, allowing teams to collaborate seamlessly and enhancing project management. With ClickUp, QubicaAMF boosted teamwork company-wide by 60%, streamlining processes and improving overall efficiency. Project visibility surged, enabling teams to track key performance indicators and manage client projects effortlessly. Sales teams now benefit from custom dashboards, providing immediate insights into project progression and revenue impact. Enhanced client communication, thanks to Twilio integration, ensures clients are updated during every project phase. Join over 2 million teams already reshaping their workflows. Could ClickUp be your key to success too?